Alright, I'm going to try to do a little video here. Can't open the doors because I have the heat on. I'm trying to get the primer to dry that I put on the back of this. I don't have much room, so I'll try to walk around it. But got all the trunk jams stripped down to the bare metal. Got 2 coats of epoxy on that. All up around the window channel, get that done. And the tail light panel is back over there up against the wall with all that junk. And we've decided to go ahead and change the trunk drop-off panels. They were rusted and pretty thin, and it's just best if we go ahead and change them. We're going through all this time and money spending it. No sense in taking shortcuts. But I've got those parts most of the way prepped. I still got to do some things before I put them in there and weld them. But I got pretty much a majority of everything cut out of there. And that does it for tonight. Been a long day. It's midnight and I've been out here since maybe 7:30. So I gotta get up at 8 in the morning and go look at another car for my wife. So that's your update for the day. I'll share this video and post some pictures of other things I did today. Y'all have a good night. If you like everything on the channel, please like and subscribe and share. Appreciate it.